Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making tender and flavorful baked ribs. These ribs are slow cooked to perfection, with a deliciously sticky glaze that will have everyone coming back for more. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 racks of baby back ribs, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, 1 cup barbecue sauce. Directions: preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Remove the membrane from the back of the ribs. In a small bowl, mix brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and cayenne pepper. Rub the spice mixture all over the ribs. Place the ribs on a baking sheet lined with foil. Cover tightly with another piece of foil. Bake for 2.5 to 3 hours until the ribs are tender. Remove the top foil and brush the ribs with barbecue sauce. Increase the oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and bake for an additional 15 minutes until the sauce is caramelized. Let the ribs rest for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Prep time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 3 hours 15 minutes. Total time: 3 hours 30 minutes. Calories: 400 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 4 to 6 servings. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.